Hello, my name is Nakul Kumawat. I am from Ratan Organic Foods Private Limited. We are Jaipur, Rajasthan based. We are the country largest cultivator, manufacturer and processor of herbal Ayurvedic juices and organic green food supplement. We are having our own certified organic farmland where we do cultivate all the kind of herbs, raw material, fresh fruit. We are having our more than 5 CR aloe vera plantation which is totally in our control, and we do process every day 25 metric ton aloe vera juice. We have more than 5 lakh amla plantation. So this year we do process more than 20 lakh liter of amla juice. And the other key ingredient would be Sea Buckthorn. We have the own facility in Leh, Ladakh. So we produce more than 300 metric ton Sea Buckthorn. So we do white label for many leading brand in India, providing raw material, doing OEM, white label. So we are associated with CMPL from last 5 years, and this is the great event actually, and we are getting good response from the buyers. So this is the great innovative event where you can find all the kind of solution, either it would be packaging, raw material sourcing, end-to-end complete solution for the new launch brand. So we requesting you to visit our stall and experience the range of authentic organic product which we have.